Hello class 5th students. Let's continue moral story from chapter 1. It is from your moral science book. Let's continue it's part 3. I hope so you enjoy this story and getting some value point also. So let's continue what is going with the Raju in the next time and how tree helped the Raju next time. In part 3, one day he came back to the same place and sat by the fruitless, leafless and branchless tree. Means one day Raju came back to the same place beside the tree, and he sat there. The tree is now fruitless, means there is no fruit. Leafless, there is no leaf. And the branchless means even there are no more branches. Only stem is left out. Okay. Tree was looking happy. Means still that tree is happy by seeing the Raju. Although Raju taken all the things from the tree is still happy with the presence of Raju. The tree asked him, "Why are you not happy?" Again, as a good friend, tree asked to the Raju, "What is the problem? Why are you not happy? Why are you not singing today? You have done well in your exam. You do the well in your exam. Don't worry, you will be successful." Means you have to work hard and do perform well in your exam. Don't worry, you get a good result. You got success. But the boy did not utter a single word. Means Raju don't say anything. Completely silence. Utter means completely silence. He don't say a single word to the tree. When the tree asked him again, the boy broke the silence. But the tree asked to the boy again, then he broke the silence, means he speaks something. What he speak? "I want to go across the river to find work there." Means Raju say, "I want to go across the river to find work there." Finding work and getting money. "But I don't know how to sail to the other bank. I have no boat, nor do I know how to swim. Means Raju say, "I want to go across the river, but I don't have boat for cross over the river, and I don't know how to swim. So how I go across the river for getting job, for getting work?" Okay. The tree immediately said, means without thinking, as a good friend, tree just said, "Cut my stem and make a boat to sail across the river." Means tree having only stem with it, and after it he said to the Raju that cut my stem and make a boat and sail across the river. Go and find a job there. Means go and find a job. This is the last thing which I can give you. Means it is the last thing which a tree gave to the Raju. Tree don't have anything now. Now only my roots are left, which are beneath the ground. And after that, only roots which are under the ground. And I don't have anything to give you. This is my last thing. Raju made a boat out of the stem of the tree and sailed across the river. And Raju again do the same as the tree advised. Raju make a boat and goes across the river. Whether he got the job or not, means we don't know Raju getting job or not. Raju को job मिली या नहीं मिली, we don't know this. The tree, including tree also not this thing. Tree also not knowing this thing that Raju getting job or not. The tree did not know because it had done its last bid for Raju. Why tree not know this? Because tree gave the all. tree having fruits, leaf, branches, stem, and all things given to the Raju. So tree is not alive now. He don't know whether the Raju getting job or not. And wished the boy happy thereafter. And after that, as the tree is not living, but he wished for the Raju that he will be happy forever. As much as the tree have it given to the Raju for his happiness, and instead either Raju gave to the tree anything. There is a question, क्या राजू ने ट्री को कुछ दिया था? No, but tree selflessly, without any expecting, do the more, or we can say the everything which a tree do for the Raju, he do. So by this story you get the value that you have to help to the others without any expectations, without getting back something. Okay, selflessly. There is no need of any greediness in the return. So the value helpfulness you get. Thank you class. We see in our next video.